Come test drive this 2020 Toyota RAV4. The aerodynamic exterior design both looks good and enhances fuel economy, favoring both performance and efficiency. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, a trip computer, lane departure warning, remote keyless entry, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.